And by the way, a major chapter in Den's life is yung Jingle
Oh
Magazine,
yeah, Jingle Magazine pala.
yung songbook.
Mm.
Yeah.
Song hits. So, I was able to do almost everything doon. Talagang no holds barred eh. Sabi nila, parang, mga lahat ng bastos, lahat ng tabus. So, I purged myself out of that. Parang, okay, ito na yung part na I'll let go. And then, so that I won't revisit all those things anymore. So, once you had done that, you don't want to revisit those things anymore. Na-purge mo na yun sa out of you eh. Juvenile teams, all this.
Sabi nga ni Robin Williams dati, you have to be willing to be irreverent, to push the boundaries of what's socially acceptable. Kasi that's where you find humor.